Here coming to the next topic is the bryophytes. In the bryophytes, we already discussed there is two stages are there. One of the stage is called as gametophyte stage. The gametophyte stage is the M stage. Other stage is the sporophyte stage. The stage is the 2M stage. Right? So here we already discussed this is the dominant stage because it's having the rhizoids and absorbs the water and minerals from the soil. The sporophyte not having the sporophyte also having the rhizoids, but the sporophyte rhizoids are not penetrated into soil. The sporophyte rhizoids are penetrated into the gametophyte. So for the water purpose, for the mineral purpose, the sporophyte depends on gametophyte. So this is the independent one. This is the dependent one. Right? See, within the gametophyte, there is an antheridium is there, archegonium is there. Archegonium is there. Right? This is the antheridium structure. Within this antheridium structure, many number of male gametes are produced. Here, these are the male gametes. Right? Here, male gametes are nothing but antherozoids. Male gametes are antherozoids. Right? See, the male gametes are having flagella. Which are motile. Flagella is present, which are motile. Right? So here, these are the male gametes which are having the flagella, which have the capacity to move. And the other one is the archegonium. Within archegonium, there is a specialized multicellular job-end structures are present. Right? That's the reason why these are called as archegoniates. Within that archegonium, there is a nectarizin there. The main body structure is present. The nectarizin contains the neck cells. And below the neck cells, there is a ventral cell is present. And below the ventral cell, egg cell is present. So, say during the sexual reproduction process, these ventral cell and neck cells are degenerated. Whatever that ventral cell is there, the ventral cell and the neck cells are degenerated, which produces the mucilaginous substance. After the degradation process, which produces the mucilaginous substance. So that mucilaginous substance spread within the water. So presence of this mucilaginous substance, the male gametes are attracted. The mucilaginous substance spread within the water towards that mucilaginous substance. The male gametes are attracted. So once the male gametes are attracted, see the male gametes, this is the water region because these plants are present in the water. Definitely for the algae, for the bryophytes, for the pteridophytes. What is the medium? When the water is available, that time reproduction takes place. If here water is absent, there is no movement of male gametes. See here, male gametes are swimming within the water and reaches the archegonium and fertilization takes place. Remember, sir, how the mucilaginous have the capacity to attract the male gametes. Remember that mucilaginous substance contains one of the chemical compound, that one is the malic acid. That mucilaginous substance contains the malic acid molecules. That malic acid molecules very strongly attracts the male gametes. So here, male gametes movement is completely controlled by chemical compounds. The chemical compounds are nothing but malic acid. That's the reason why this kind of fertilization is called as chemotaxis. Presence of chemical substance The male gametes are moving. The male gametes are moving and involved in the fertilization. Very simple. Whatever the neck cells are there, the neck cells are degenerated. Vector cell is degenerated, produces the mucilaginous substance. That mucilaginous substance contains malic acid molecules. That malic acid molecules spread within the water. That molecules attracts the male gametes. Then male gametes are swimming towards the archegonium direction and which are entering to inside the cell. Which are entering to inside the archegonium, not the cell. Which are entering to inside the archegonium. Right? See, that movement is called as chemotaxis. Once these male gametes are entering to inside the archegonium, which reaches the egg cell. So that is nothing but fertilization. So here internally means inside fertilization takes place. Inside the archegonium fertilization takes place. That one is called as internal fertilization process. See, there is a name is given here. Jew means motile. Jew indicates here motile. Idio means different. The male gamete and the female gamete, the sizes are different. So the male and female gametes, the sizes are different. Always male is small, female is large. So idiogamous, the gametes are different, sizes are different especially. Oogamy, we know with the oogamy process, always egg cells are static. Egg cells are not moving. Egg cells are fixed to one position. The male gametes are moving. So this one is called as Jr.Botany oogamy. Right? Ju means motile. Idiogamous means the gamete size is different. Oogamy means always female is static. Male gametes are moving. Right? This one is the internal fertilization. That one forms the zygote. Once the zygote is formed, from the zygote, embryo is produced. Right? From the embryo, sporophyte is produced. See, that embryo state is, we know, 2n state. The embryo state is the 2n state because here the gamete state is the n state. Okay, and egg cell state is the n state. N plus n is equals to the 2n. The zygote state is the 2n state. Embryo state is the 2n state. The embryo is developed into the sporophyte. Right? So this is the sporophyte structure. Here there is a foot part is there. Right? See, these are nothing but rhizoids which are supporting for the absorption of water and minerals from the gametophyte. Right? There is a leaf-like structures are there which are involved in the photosynthesis process. Right? Synthesizes the carbohydrates. Right? There is a seta, stem-like structure is there, that one is called as seta. Right? And there is a capsule is there. See, again the capsule is involved in the production of new organisms. The capsule involved in the reproduction process. So the capsule involved in the reproduction process. The capsule contains the spore mother cells. See, inside the capsule there is a spore mother cell something. That spore mother cells involved in the meiosis process. The spore mother cell state is the 2n state, which undergoes the meiosis process. Spores are produced. The spore state is the n state. These spores, okay, again involved in the formation of gametophyte. The gametophyte state is the n state. Very simple. Here capsule contains that spore mother cells. That spore mother cells undergoes the meiosis process, right? Which produces the spores. The spore state is the n state, and these spores are germinated, produces the gametophyte, right? This is the life cycle of the bryophytes. And next one discussing about the next concept. This These are the major bryophytes characters, right? See, in that case, the very first one is the homospores production. We know about the sporophyte. This is one of the sporophyte, right? The sporophyte having the capsule. This is one of the sporophyte. The sporophyte having the capsule. This one of the sporophyte having the capsule, right? So here there is an rhizoid-like structures are present. There is an leaf-like structures are present, right? See here the basic concept is the bryophytes characters first one is the homospores. See within that capsule there is a spore mother cells are present. Spore mother cells are present, right? These four mother cells involved in the meiosis, right? And which produces the spores. The spore state is the end state. Remember, all these spores are having same size. Or equal size. So this kind of spores are called as homospores. Right? So the bryophytes which are involved in the production of homospores. Because after the meiosis process, all spore size is equal. Right? And heteromorphic alternation. We know within these plants there is a gametophyte stage. This is one of the gametophyte stage. Right? This is one of the gametophyte stage. And this is one of the sporophyte stage. This is one of the gametophyte stage, other one of the sporophyte stage. So hetero means different. Morphic, the morphology. Heteromorphic, different morphology. Alternations means changes. Hetero means different. Morphic indicates here morphology. Different morphology changes means within the bryophyte's life cycle. Okay, one stage to another stage. Changes will be taking place. Initially gametophyte stage. Okay, upon the gametophyte stage, next one sporophyte is produced. Within the sporophyte, spores are produced. Again from spores to gametophyte. Again gametophyte to sporophyte. So these are occurs in a cyclic manner. So that one is called as heteromorphic alteration. Hetero means different. Morphic indicates here morphology, right? Or morphological structures, right? And alternation means changes. Within the life cycle of the bryophytes, two different morphological changes. One of the stages is called as gametophyte, other one is called as sporophyte, right? And haplodiploidic life cycle. I already said the gametophyte stage is the end stage, and the sporophyte stage is the two end stage. Gametophyte stage is the end stage, and the sporophyte stage is the two end stage. So here there is an haplodiploidic. The very first one is the gametophyte, right? Here gametophyte stage is the N, and next stage is the sporophyte. Next stage is the sporophyte. Here this one is the 2N. So here the life cycle basically having haplodiploidic life cycle. So this is about that the major characteristic features of the bryophytes. Within the bryophytes, characteristic features, homospores means after the meiosis process, equal size of spores are produced, and heteromorphic alternation. Means hetero means different. The morphology means the morphology, okay, is different. Within the same plant life cycle, two different morphologies are there. One is the gametophyte, other one is the sporophyte, and last one is the haplodiploidic life cycle. Because okay, certain life cycle is end stage, certain life cycle stage, okay, certain life cycle stage is two end stage. So two different here. One is that end stage, other one is the two end stage. Okay, within one plant life cycle, both end and two end stages are present. So the condition is haplodiploidic life cycle. Haplodiploidic life cycle. The very simple definition for this one is equal amount of haploidic and diploidic stages are present. Equal amount of haploidic and diploidic stages are present. That life cycle is called as haplodiploidic life cycle. Right, next one we will discuss about the structure and